Alright, got another flight of the eFlite Spitfire. Taxi out on our uber wet runway. This is on a China Hobby 4S pack, 2200 55C discharge. So it's kind of a fat pack. You got to put it in on its side, really. Alright, taking off, no flaps. Gear coming up. Take an east-west pattern here. Alright, so I have, in these eFlite 1.2 meter planes, I have now had the opportunity to fly the Spitfire, the Corsair, the P-47, and the Mustang. And no longer have the Corsair. In my learning days, I crashed it several times and eventually scrapped it out for parts. Yeah, it's my favorite flying one, actually. If I had to rate them, I would say this one flies the best, then probably the Mustang, and then the Corsair, and then the P-47.
Now, is that all stock?
It's all stock. I am flying it on a 4S battery instead of the 3S that it's supposed to use.
So you can use a 4S interchangeable with 3S as long as the voltage?
Well, I do now, and it really makes it come alive. I mean, you can see there it's got like unlimited vertical. Now, I don't keep it at max throttle for more than 5 or 6 seconds. Yeah, come on. I'll stay to the left. Yeah, I don't keep it at max throttle for more than 5 or 6 seconds at a time. So, you know, it gives the ESC a chance to cool down. And I've done it on several different planes and haven't had any ill effects.
As long as you keep the 11.1 volts?
No, it's for sale. It's a...
14?
Yeah, this is a 14 volt.
Alright.
So, the motor, this has got a BL15 in it, which is pretty standard in most of the eFlite planes. Time check 13 seconds. I'm gonna make one more pass, Jim. I'm gonna set up for a landing. Pete, anybody on the runway behind us?
No.
All right, thank you, sir.
What battery are you flying on that?
Right now I got a 4S China Hobby 2200.
Okay.
55C discharge though. So it's kind of like me, it's a fat boy. Alright, we're down, Jim. I'm going to taxi back.
That's okay. I got plenty of time.
Well, that's what I was saying. This one, on their 1.2 meter plane, excuse me, on their 1.2 meter planes, this one flies the best and lands the easiest. The only problem with this one really on the ground handling is those real narrow retracts. If you turn too sharp, you'll skin up that wingtip. But yeah, I'd rate it as this one, and then the Mustang, well, first flyability, this one, and then the Corsair, then the Mustang. And P-47, I really didn't care for that one.
Nobody's on the field.
Coming in, Jim?